The Philadelphia 76ers are entering a new era, and the spotlight isn't only on Joel Embiid anymore. While his frequent injury report appearances continue to raise questions, Tyrese Maxey's rise as a top guard and rookie VJ Edgecombe's early impact are giving the franchise fresh momentum. This changing landscape sets the perfect stage for the debut of Embiid's first-ever signature sneaker with Skechers, the Skechers SKX JE. Signed in 2023, Embiid now officially joins the SKX performance family that includes the Resagrip, Float, and Rain models represented by Julius, Randle and Terrance Mann. At first glance, the SKX JE looks clean and minimal, but its tech tells a bigger story. A 3D printed containment matrix wraps the upper, supported by Move foam insoles, 5-gen cushioning, a carbon plate, and durable Goodyear rubber traction, all engineered for power players. For sneaker fans and NBA supporters, this release signals a major shift in the performance basketball landscape.